Morning, guys. Back at it with our spelling. Short U versus long U. Up is our short U. Header. Tube is our long U. Header. One oddball again this week. If you are super observant, you might notice something. I'll leave that for discussion later with this sort. That's a little tricky though. I don't believe there is any words that you should have an issue with. Once again, notice there is a pattern with all of our short U words versus all of our long U words. Also notice that there is a slight difference in the long U sound in use and cute, where the vowel says its name U, and that is different from tune and flute, where the vowel sound is oo. Still long, but you have that U versus oo. That can also be a tricky one that you might not notice. Either way, the sound is spelled the same. Drum falls under our short U, like up. And cute has that long U sound. Cute. Different from tube, again, oo, and cute, U, but still spelled the same. Long U. Our pictures also seem fairly easy. However, this one down here at the bottom might be a little bit tricky for you with the U sound. We don't use this word too often, but this is a mule. And that would be M-U-L-E, mule. I also want you to pay special attention to this word right here. Circled it in green, June. June has a capital J because it's a proper noun. It's the name of a specific month of the year. Proper nouns. Person, place, or thing. If it's a specific one, it gets a capital. So starting this week, capitals count. So you have to have a capital on the word June, but none of these other words have a capital. So June is the only word that should have a capital. If you're using capitals in any other words, we're going to start losing points. June is a specific month. It's the name of the month. It gets a capital. Sort these words as usual. If you think you have the oddball, raise your hand. Don't start shouting it out like last week. I will come around and check your list. Make sure your short list gets glued in, scraps are cleaned up, glue and scissors are put back where they need to be, and then packets will be passed out once you have finished your sort and you are ready to move on.